respeto lagi natin bibig.
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation. But we refuse to accept that choice. At �e𝐫𝐸 College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive. From our dynamic programs in finance and business, to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education in the arts, we cover the entire spectrum of tomorrow's workforce. Here, you don't just become future ready, you become a worker with empathy, a leader who understands that technology must serve humanity. Choose the college that prepares you not just for the job, but for the world. The future is here at NCF. Enroll at �e𝐫𝐸 College Foundation. Let us build a brighter, kinder tomorrow.
�e𝐫𝐸 College Foundation has built futures through learning. Today, we carry that same purpose into a new frontier, where learning goes beyond the boundaries of the classroom, with technology helping students bridge between potential and opportunity. With the digital age challenging us to rethink what learning means, how can we strengthen our communities and shape generations of leaders who will carry the spirit of service and excellence beyond our campus? Digital transformation is not just about adopting technology for the sake of it. It's about widening the path to opportunity. Every learner can access the same quality of education with the same confidence to thrive in a fast-changing world. With the support of digital platforms and our partnership with Samsung, every teacher and student is now equipped with a Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. The single step has transformed access to learning, allowing classes to continue wherever our learners are, regardless of circumstance or environment. Our educators are no longer limited to traditional teaching method. They have been trained to use app and online platforms to create interactive, data-driven lessons that adapt to how each student learns best, bringing energy and relevance into every subject. Students, in turn, are collaborating digitally across teams and disciplines, mirroring the very environments they will soon enter in the professional world. We have taken learning beyond the classroom, empowering teachers to inspire and students to lead by embracing technology and making tablets part of our curriculum. Our digital transformation is not simply an adaptation, it is transformation driven by purpose, guided by innovation, and anchored in our belief that education must always serve people first. Our mission to democratize technology in education has taken a significant step forward with Samsung. By empowering every student to leap into the future, we ensure that true transformation begins where opportunity is shared by everyone, everywhere.
Your quest begins with a single step, where passion meets purpose. and learners. Become leaders. This is where champions in healthcare are made, with AI-powered, world-class, real-life simulating laboratories, top-tier clinical instructors, healthcare industry innovation-focused curriculum, and skills management. The Naga College Foundation College of Health Sciences is your premier choice in excellent healthcare education.
The best is yet. The best is yet.
Change the game. Be a champion.
Hey everyone! Welcome to NCF Basic Education Department, where we're not just learning,
We're changing the game. First stop, the library. Oh wait, this isn't your typical library.
Nope. Here at NCF, the library is a vibe, a space for collab, creativity, and discovery. Changing the game?
Absolutely. Now these are our science labs. We've got the junior high school bio lab, plus the physics, chem, and bio labs. And if Marvel needs their next genius, they can start here with us, the Tigers.
Because here, science isn't just taught, it's changing the game.
Tiger techies and creators. This is our playground, the computer and TLE labs.
Coding, designing, building. This is where Tigers turn ideas into reality. Another way we're changing the game.
Hungry? Our cafe's got everything to power our day.
And our comfort rooms, clean, safe, and tiger-proof.
Small details, big impact. Another way we're changing the game. Us Tigers aren't just fierce inside the classroom, but also on the court.
Basketball, volleyball, swimming, and more. Our sports facilities bring out the athlete in every Tiger.
And when we play, it's not just a game. We're changing the game.
Need help? Our admin team's got your back always.
Every building here at NCF, built to inspire.
And beyond
Good afternoon, Bicolandia. We are back here sa loob ng hardcourt for another matchup. It's between the NCF Tigers versus the Ateneo Golden Knights. I'm your commentator and beside me is Aljon Pogoy. Nabibigyan kayo ng update all throughout this match.
Well, Rick, we have an exciting match for our first game this afternoon. They are known to be the rivals in Bukal in different tournaments. NCF Tigers, one of the best teams in Bicol. But hindi dyan magpapatalo ang Ateneo,
Yes.
which that's why they are the rivals, because they can give us a great basketball game.
Yes, you've mentioned it na magiging maganda ang bakbakan between these two great teams. And of course, napakaganda ng previous match nitong Ateneo Golden Knights, winning their match against the UNC Greyhounds. So
Wow.
this is a great morale boost on their side. And on the other side of things, we have the NCF Tigers na kung saan fell short against the USI Falcons. So, both teams kailangan makakuha ng panalo dito sa araw na ito, but isa lang na team ang mananalo. So, let's see kung magkakaroon ba dito ng bounce back itong NCF, or will the Ateneo Golden Knights continue their winning streak para dito sa ating liga. Yan ang aalamin natin maya-maya. We are live here sa loob ng NCF Covered Court, and of course on our Facebook handles we have the Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and Genan TV48 Naga for the live coverage na magaganap ngayon. So sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-follow and subscribe, ano pa pong hinihintay nyo para lagi tayong updated sa kaganapan dito sa loob ng hardcourt. This is Oragon Basketball League, WBN Sofia Gold Chance BTS Cup. And of course, to hear an update on the side of the NCF Tigers, let's call our courtside reporter, Casey. Kumusta? Anong balita dyan?
Marhay na daw Bicolandia. It's Saturday game day again here at NCF Covered Court for our OPL Season 2. This is 𝐎𝐫𝐚𝐠𝐨 bringing you the heat from the sideline of NCF Tiger. Ngayong araw ay makakaharap nilang muli ang kanilang arch rival, the Ateneo Golden Knights. Paniguradong isang matinding bakbakan na naman ang ating masasaksihan as both teams look to dominate the hardcourt. The Tigers, still on the top of the standings, are looking to continue their dominance and extend their winning momentum by playing aggressively on defense and executing efficiently on the offensive end. Kaya naman expect intensity, fast breaks, and big-time plays from both squads for today's game. Well, the game is about to start, and stay tuned as the action unfolds only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Aljan.
Thanks, Casey. She mentioned that they're the arch rival in basketball, right? But you know, NCF Tigers, you mentioned that they fell short, and we've seen that. We want to know on this match against the Ateneo on how are they going to capitalize their lapses on the previous match.
Yes.
Were there adjustments? Were there new players coming in from the bench? We'll see about that later. And on the Ateneo side, coming from a win from one of the best team in Bicol, UNC Greyhounds, I think they have an advantage, but you know, bilog ang bola, madami nangyayari. And to hear some more updates on the side of our Ateneo, let's call our courtside reporter.
Marhay na hapon, Bicolandia! Welcome to the Oragon Basketball League Season 2. I am Catherine De La Torre, reporting from the sideline of the Ateneo Golden Knights. And today, it's a clash of pride and power as the Ateneo Golden Knights step onto the hard court to defend their truth against the aggressive NCF Tigers. And the Knights are looking to maintain their defensive reputation, but they will have to tame the NCF Tigers. That's why let's see who will dictate the pace and who will dominate the first game in this afternoon. Kaya tutok lang because we are live here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Aljon.
Ayan, thank you so much, Kate, for that update. So yun, napakinggan nga natin dito na kailangan ditong matapatan nitong Ateneo Golden Knights yung performance na ipapakita ng NCF Tigers. Knowing NCF Tigers, na isa sa mga great team dito sa ating liga. But of course, meron nga silang hawak na momentum coming from that big win against the UNC Greyhounds. So let's see kung masusustain ba yung momentum up until this match against this mighty NCF. Yan ang aabangan natin. So in a few minutes, magsisimula na po ang ating bakbakan. So magbabalik po kami only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Walang makakatalo sa laro ng Walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang logo. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi natin bibig.
And we are back here sa loob ng NCF Tigers covered court for our game number 1. The NCF Tigers versus the Ateneo Golden Knights. And sisimula na nga ang ating first quarter. So let's see who will be the first 5 for these both teams. And on your screen is the first or the starter for these both teams. On the side of the NCF Tigers, we have Vinluan, Mase, Realo, Nowada, and Lavandero. On the other side of things, we have Basagre, Aureus, Domingo, Tino. Let's see who will get the first ball possession. It goes on the side of the Tigers.
Now ball will go to the Ateneo. Now they're struggling to pass the ball. The NCF Tiger eyeing for their points here. Steal from the Knights. And a good point for the Ateneo. Good start.
Now what will be the answer on the side of the NCF? They need to start aggressive here. Nowada will try and score. Now we are all tied up at 2. Let's see on this possession on the side of the Ateneo kung makakakuha sila dito ng puntos. What a great steal. Look at that defense on the side of the NCF.
Traveling violation, Rick. First error there for the NCF. But that was a good move, a good steal. Ball possession. Ateneo.
Basagre Tino. Guarded here. Basagre on that corner for 3. No good. Offensive rebound. But andoon si Lavandero for that ball. Now the NCF Tigers has the chance again here to score. And a foul was called to Aureus on that last sequence. Franco Mase to inbound. And look at that. But unfortunately, hindi pumasok yung bola.
Sayang yung
Yes.
Rick. A ball possession ng Ateneo. Chance to get ahead. Now they're struggling to penetrate the point here in the inside shooting. It means that the defense of NCF Tigers were adjusted.
Now let's see kung madadagdagan na ba dito ang puntos. And Nowada bumawi on that layup. Foul was called to Realo. Si Same ball possession, 15 seconds to shoot. Aureus with the ball. Back to jersey number 10. Aims for 3. Unsuccessful. Now the NCF Tigers on the offense at this moment. Massa with the ball. Goes inside, passing it to Realo. Finding his teammate. 10 seconds to shoot. Massa to Vinluan.
That was a wasted opportunity there, but a good defense.
Yes.
Right, makikita talaga natin dito na both teams are ready. We've seen a few steals. We've seen a great defense from both teams. So ahead dito ang Tigers. 2 points. Lavandero for a free throw.
NCF Tigers, napakaganda ng connection at ang mga ginagawa nilang plays, but again, they need to execute well for them to be able to get a point. They need 100% efficiency when it comes to their shooting. Now Ateneo, they need a point at this moment. Basagre, guarded by Masi here, passing it to Fulgar. Forcing that one, passing it to his teammate. And a three-pointer coming from the bench. Noada loses that ball. And now Basagre with his one-hand layup.
Back-to-back points for Ateneo. Tigers. Ano kaya gagawin nila dito? Heavily guarded, passes to Lavandero, and making sure that he gets that point.
Look at that, the passing on the side of the NCF, finding an open space. Muntik pang maagawan, and that's a good steal. Masa this time. Torrealo finding his way, but passing it to the wrong person. Basagre gets that ball on their side. Foul was whistled.
Jersey number 3 for the free throw. Again, deadlock at 7. He gets that.
Two out of two para dito kay Basagre. And now NCF looking to tie this match. Real for 3. No good. Basagre with a 3-bound. Fulgar lose that ball. Mase finding his way, passing it to Lavandero for that 3, and it's good.
And Rick, yeah, looking from that points coming from Lavandero, they got a good defense there, making sure that he got 3 points. But, you know, nag-init ang laban natin ngayon for the first quarter pa lang.
I've expected this kind of intensity inside the court because these two teams is eager to get a win. But at this early part of our match, We are having a review for that last sequence kung ano ba yung nangyaring collision between the players of the Ateneo Golden Knights and the NCF Tigers. So let's see and let's wait. And thank you so much to all our live viewers. Shout out to Aljan Adayo, to Joseph Rilliora. Thank you so much for your support and sa panunood dito sa larong ito. And of course, shout out also to Janelle Ira Lumitaw, Alyodin Makapundag, kay Brian Tosok. And shout out to the Genan team na nasa National Prisa ngayon. Shout out to Brian Tosok, to Irene Tosok, to Dylan Talagtag, Famke Matosino, to Eugene Hueva. Ingat po and thank you so much for the coverage on that National Prisa at 2026 sa Bacolod. Thank you so much.
Rick, let's invite if you are eyeing to watch and see updates for the National Prisa in Bacolod, you can watch here at Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng Mga Kampiyon, or GNN TV 48 Naga to catch up on the latest update for our National Prisa.
Yes. And may nagpapabol pang shoutout since hindi pa naman tayo natatapos dun sa ating review. Shoutout po to Julius Dave Ebonia at kay Joshua De Los Santos na birthday po ngayon. Happy birthday and enjoy watching our match dito sa Oragon Basketball League. And of course, thank you so much to all our dearest sponsors. We have the WBN Sofia Gold Chance BTS, DLP Printing Services, CBD Plaza Hotel, Lotus Blue Hotel, Naga College Foundation, Digital Graphics, Claypot Cafe, Flip Soul Naga, Rufian's Tavern, Bisacol Outdoor Shop, AET Ads, Sundays Hotel, Papatantan Aparte, Lemon Residences, Summit Private Resort and Sports Hub, Win Radio 107.9 Naga, Comstar Eye Center, and NCF College of Arts and Sciences.
Rick, based on the review, both teams received foul. Ball possession ng Ateneo. 2 points ahead for the Tigers. 1 point rather.
So two offensive foul was called on both sides. And the basketball continues as Ranin fires for that jumper and it's good. So far Ranin is quite effective with his shooting.
NCF Tigers eyeing for a response coming from that jumper of Ateneo. Lavandero struggling. Early substitution for the Tigers.
11-10, Ateneo basketball, Basagre with the ball. Bantay sarado dito ni Mase, passing it to Domingo, taking their time here with 9 on the shot clock. And what a great steal coming from Arenzana, the big man, nakakapasok pa lang.
Wrong pass. Now Ateneo eyeing for the point. And a wasted opportunity. Tomase awarded with a foul. And a free throw will go to Ateneo.
This kind of opportunities, they should maximize it. But on that first shot, hindi ito pumasok. So let's see on his second attempt here. 11-10. What a close fight. Close first quarter for these both teams. No one pulled away on our scoreboard, and we can see a double substitution. Poheda and Balani checks in.
Now we're seeing shuffling of the players on the side of the Tigers. We'll see on what kind of play are they going to contribute. Basketball of the Tigers. Inside pass. In and out. A response is good. Ang ganda ng communication na yon.
Second chance point was good, and now Ateneo needs an answer on that last play on the side of the NCF Tigers. Fulgar goes inside for that. Unsuccessful on the attempt. NCF basketball. Balane to Nuwada, taking their time here, asking for his teammate. And look at that. What a turn and what a point conversion on the side of NCF. And a steal coming from Nuwada on that corner for 3. Not this time.
Ateneo basketball. Nagmamadali.
And Gmo checks in. Both teams are having a lot of substitutions here, finding the great connection between their players. Ranin to inbound.
This is surprising, Rick, no? Because I think all of the players has to offer. And titingnan natin kung ano pa yung maiko-contribute nila dito. And later on nga kanina, back-to-back points from the substitution of NCF Tigers. 3 points, right? So we'll see if makakahabol ang Ateneo dito.
And on that last sequence, a 3-pointer coming from Ranin now. Anong magiging sagot dito ng NCF? And a foul was whistled.
Ball possession ng Tigers. Looking at his teammate. Ang gandang steal nun for Ateneo. Nagmamadali. No good.
And Nuwada gets that ball on their side. Goes inside for that fast break. Wow.
A very nice move, Rick.
Yes. Ateneo. Ano magiging sagot dito? Fulgar with the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. No call on that last sequence. Poheda passing it to Arenzana. Gmo with that offensive rebound, passing it to Balane. And now Poheda ang may hawak ng bola. Rotating the ball on their side. Gmo gets that ball. But hindi pumasok yung attempt. Pero foul was called on the side of the Ateneo.
But still in favor pa din sa NCF.
Look at that scoreboard. 16-15, just a single point lead on the side of the NCF Tigers. A very close fight between these two teams. 1 minute and 17 seconds remaining for this first quarter.
First free throw is good. Pag sinabi mo kasi talaga, Rick, na Ateneo and NCF, it's always been so surprising. You don't know kung sino ang lalamang.
Yes.
You can't even say kung sino ang mananalo.
It's very unpredictable. So let's see and wait up until the end of this match kung kanino mapupunta ang panalo. And now, 2 out of 2 coming from 𝐒𝐲. So 3 points ang kalamang hawak nila dito.
No good on that attempt. No chance for the Tigers.
Arenzana looking for his teammate. Back to Pojeda. 10 seconds to shoot. Pelias. 𝐒𝐲 may hawak ng bola. Almost loses that. And a shot clock violation. What a great defense on the side of the Ateneo. Making it hard on the side of the NCF to get a point and forcing them to commit a 24 shot clock violation. Now it's their ball possession. 37 seconds remaining for this quarter.
Chance here to get close for Ateneo. Heavily guarded here. 10 seconds to shoot.
Look at that defense. Basagre with the ball. Guarded here.
First free throw is good. Seconds on the shot clock. NCF basketball. And a good passing. And that's the end of our first quarter. 2017 NCF is ahead for this quarter. Tune in for our second quarter, only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta, pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang lotro. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi natin bibig.
At nagbabalik po tayo for our second quarter bakbakan between the NCF Tigers versus the Ateneo Golden Knights. 2017 is our score. NCF holds the lead para dito sa ating laro. So let's see on this second quarter kung kanino mapupunta ang magandang momentum.
Ateneo basketball. We've seen on the first quarter how dominant the defense of the NCF Tigers. That's why they were able to contain the shooting of the Ateneo. But let's see on how Ateneo will respond in the second quarter.
Now a foul was awarded to the Ateneo. Free throw for the Tigers. And that is good. One more time for Pujeda, and that's good. Substitution was made on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Ball possession. Ateneo. Heavily guarded here. And substitution for the Tigers. 22-17. And that one is good. Ball possession. The Tigers. And that one is good, challenging the defenders of Ateneo. And a steal. Wow, the defense of Tigers are on point here. Balana looking for his teammate. Now. No good for that. And before all of that, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights to give us an update. Kate, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Aljon. And yan nga, the first 10 minutes are in the books and it's already a dogfight for the team of Ateneo Golden Knights and the NCF Tigers. The NCF Tigers came out with their claws out. However, our team are showing no sign of backing down at pinapanatiling malakas ang kanilang depensa. And they're responding well when it comes to their ball movement. We're still in the early game and what they did is to stay disciplined to keep the intensity para makuha ang panalo for this quarter. Yan muna ang update. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Aljun.
Thanks, Kit. You're right that Ateneo should be more consistent in terms of their system because we've seen on the first quarter that they lead few points from the Tigers, but now lumalamang na dito ang NCF Tigers. Let's see on how Ateneo will capitalize on this. Claro with a good point. And that is a sure point, a good response coming from the Tigers.
So a great point conversion for this both teams. So let's see kung sino na lang magiging consistent all throughout this match because of this performance shown for this both teams. Diamante secures that ball on their side.
And a steal.
What a great block.
Wow. Sagutan ng depensa. Again, substitutions for both teams. timeout for the NCF Tigers. Rick, what is your assessment on our second quarter for these both teams?
We can see our scoreboard na medyo low scoring pa rin tayo at almost nasa halfway na tayo ng ating second quarter or ng ating first half, but 28-23 is our score. So these both teams is portraying a good defense inside the court. Nagkakatalo na lang dito when it comes to their execution and of course the efficiency when it comes to their shooting. So every ball possession counts. Every ball possession they need to execute well for them to be able to get a point. So let's see kung sino nga arangkada pa after this timeout. Meanwhile, handang-handa na dito ang ating courtside reporter on the side of the NCF Tigers. Let's call Casey. Anong balita dyan?
Rick and Aljan, as expected, naging dikit ang laban ng dalawang koponan during the first quarter. We had a little commotion back there, but it was all settled immediately as both teams regained their composure and stayed focused on the game. For our second quarter, expect a more physical and high-intensity matchup as both teams begin making their adjustments on both ends of the floor. The Tigers will likely continue applying pressure defensively and push the pace in transition in order to establish their gap. Now let's see who will dominate the first half of the game. And for now, back to the panel.
Thanks, Casey. And good scene in terms of the transition. That, you know, high conversion dito ang Tigers. No good for that 3-point attempt. Ball possession ng Ateneo.
Tino, guarded by Guadas here, passing it to his teammate. Bantay sarado din dito ni Balane. And now Ateneo with 5 seconds on the shot clock. And that's a turnover. It's NCF basketball.
A chance for the Tigers to widen the gap here. And a wrong pass, Rick. And that is good from Claro.
Second chance point for him. Lavandero tries for that. And it's good. Meanwhile, one of the player on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights is down and holding his abdomen. Mukhang nagkabanggaan on that last sequence ang player ng Ateneo and the NCF. And substitution, Ranin checks in on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights and Palillo on the side of the NCF Tigers.
Ateneo basketball. 5-point lead dito ang NCF.
Timeout was called on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights because medyo lumalaki na dito ang kalamangan. 5 points na po ang kailangang habulin ng kanilang kupunan. So their head coach is making sure na hindi lolobo ang kanilang kailangang habulin on the side of the NCF Tigers. So let's see what would be the adjustment after this timeout on their side.
I think, Rick, no, one of the bottlenecks here for the Ateneo is their defense and offense. Kasi talagang stellar yung depensa ng NCF. That's why they weren't able to convert a point dahil hindi nakakapasok yung mga inside shooting nila. However, on their outside shooting naman nakakakuha ng panaka-naka, but it's not really sustainable for them.
So they need to make sure na those outside shooting ay makakapasok on the side of the Ateneo because it's their chance to lessen the gap.
That's true.
By converting 3 points on that outside shot. So let's see what would be the game plan and adjustment on the side of the Ateneo after the timeout?
Ateneo basketball. That's a good inside pass, Rick. Parang narinig tayo.
Yes. And a good point after the timeout on the side of the Ateneo. Now NCF foul was called to Claro on that last play. Same ball possession. Guadas to inbound. Finding Palillo, almost loses that. Palillo, an attempt for three, no good.
And a steal here for the Tigers. And a miscue. Wasted opportunity for the Tigers.
Gmo, I think ready on that slam dunk, but the ball slips on his hand. So the ball possession will go on the side of the Ateneo. Wow, offensive rebound here, blocked by Gmo.
A chance for the Tigers. And that's good. Again, Rick, in terms of the transition, NCF really has the high conversion.
Tino will try and doesn't go in. Palillo to Guadas, fires for three. Ball possession will go on the side of the Ateneo. Double foul was called on that last sequence.
Ateneo basketball. Again, heavily guarded.
No good on the attempt, but andoon si Basagre for the second chance point. (32-29). Just a 3-point lead on the side of the NCF.
A foul for jersey number 8 of Ateneo.
No good. One more time for Lavandero. Wala pa din, but an offensive rebound on their side. Guadas to Palilio.
4 seconds to shoot. Tries for 3. No good. Now, chance for the Ateneo. And a block here.
Nawada ang may hawak ng bola.
Now Lavandero stepping in for the free throw. No good for that first attempt. That is good. Again, substitution. Adanwell stepping in for the Tigers. Minute and 52 seconds on the shot clock. No good pa rin for the Ateneo. .32 pushing foul for the Tigers. That is good. 3 puntos ang hinahabol ngayon ng Ateneo. Adan tries for 2, no good. Defensive rebound for Ateneo. Heavily guarded here. A good muscle try for the Ateneo. 1 minute and 7 seconds. Timeout for NCF Tigers. Rick, a change of momentum, I think, for this quarter. We've seen that NCF a while ago, umaarangkada, but now Ateneo is getting few points and down to 1 point na lang ang hinahabol ng Ateneo ngayon.
And 1 minute and 7 seconds remaining for this first half. And the Ateneo is performing well inside the court and chasing the lead na hawak ng NCF. That's why let's see after this time what would be the adjustment on the side of the NCF, because nakita natin medyo naglaylo nga yung ginagawa ditong strong defense on the side of their team, and of course their shooting. So let's see kung magagawa ng adjustment sa natitirang minuto dito sa ating first half ng NCF for them to be able to snatch and create a big lead again against the Ateneo. And let's see on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights kung makakakuha na sila ng kalamangan dito sa ating laro. Yan ang aabangan natin. Palilio to Nawada, passing it to Adan, finding his teammate here. And a foul was whistled on the side of the NCF Tigers at napatawag dito ng timeout ang koponan ng Ateneo. This time it's Ateneo requesting for a timeout here to make sure na makakakuha sila ng magandang play and momentum sa pagtatapos nitong ating first half. Now 47 seconds remaining, 33-32, 1-point game. And thank you so much to all our live viewers dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court. We have our game on number 2 maya-maya, so tutok lamang po tayo. And back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. 33-32, tight point for this quarter. Ball possession ng Ateneo. Will Ateneo will be able to tie up this game? A chance for the NCF. Rather, Ateneo taking that advantage. Ball possession back to Ateneo. Tries for the 3. A much needed 3 points for the Ateneo. Lamang niya sila dito ng dalawa. Na ano kayang sagot dito ng Tigers. 11 seconds on the shot clock. The Tigers will get the free throw. Short point. Nawada. Missed opportunity. Now tries for that deep 3. No good. That's the end of our second quarter. 35-34. Lamang ng isang Ateneo. Tune in for our next quarter only at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation, but we refuse to accept that choice. At Naga College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive. From our dynamic programs in finance and business, to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education in the arts, we cover the entire spectrum of tomorrow's workforce. Here, you don't just become future ready, you become a worker with empathy, a leader who understands that technology must serve humanity. Choose the college that prepares you not just for the job, but for the world. The future is here at NCF. Enroll at Naga College Foundation. Let us build a brighter, kinder tomorrow.
Naga College Foundation has built futures through learning. Today, we carry that same purpose into a new frontier where learning goes beyond the boundaries of the classroom, with technology helping students bridge between potential and opportunity. With the digital age challenging us to rethink what learning means, how can we strengthen our communities and shape generations of leaders who will carry the spirit of service and excellence beyond our campus? Digital transformation is not just about adopting technology for the sake of it. It's about widening the path to opportunity. Every learner can access the same quality of education with the same confidence to thrive in a fast-changing world. With the support of digital platforms and our partnership with Samsung, every teacher and student is now equipped with a Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. The single step has transformed access to learning, allowing classes to continue wherever our learners are, regardless of circumstance or environment. Our educators are no longer limited to traditional teaching method. They have been trained to use app and online platforms to create interactive, data-driven lessons that adapt to how each student learns best, bringing energy and relevance into every subject. Students, in turn, are collaborating digitally across teams and disciplines, mirroring the very environments they will soon enter in the professional world. We have taken learning beyond the classroom, empowering teachers to inspire and students to lead by embracing technology and making tablets part of our curriculum. Our digital transformation is not simply an adaptation, it is transformation driven by purpose, guided by innovation, and anchored in our belief that education must always serve people first. Our mission to democratize technology in education has taken a significant step forward with Samsung. By empowering every student to leap into the future, we ensure that true transformation begins where opportunity is shared by everyone, everywhere.
Your quest begins with a single step, where passion meets purpose, and learners become leaders. This is where champions in healthcare are made with AI-powered world-class real-life simulating laboratories, top-tier clinical instructors, healthcare industry innovation-focused curriculum, and skills management. The Naga College Foundation College of Health Sciences is your premier choice in excellent healthcare education. Change the game. Be a champion.
Hey everyone! Welcome to NCF Basic Education Department, where we're not just learning,
We're changing the game. First stop, the library. Oh wait, this is your typical library.
Nope. Here at NCF, the library is a vibe, a space for collab, creativity, and discovery. Changing the game?
Absolutely. Now these are our science labs. We've got the junior high school bio lab, plus the physics, chem, and bio labs. And if Marvel needs their next genius, they can start here with us, the Tigers.
Because here, science isn't just taught, it's changing the game.
Tiger techies and creators. This is our playground, the computer and TLE labs.
Coding, designing, building. This is where Tigers turn ideas into reality. Another way we're changing the game.
Hungry? Our cafe's got everything to power our day.
And our comfort rooms, clean, safe, and tiger-proof.
Small details, big impact. Another way we're changing the game. Us Tigers aren't just fierce inside the classroom, but also on the court.
Basketball, volleyball, swimming, and more. Our sports facilities bring out the athlete in every Tiger.
And when we play, it's not just a game. We're changing the game.
Back with our quarter. Lawang nga dito ng isa. Ang Ateneo, and now we're tied up. Ang abante ng isa dito pala. Ang NCF.
Now we're in our third quarter. And let's see ano ang gagawin dito ng dalawang kupunan. Masa with the ball, passing ito to Wada.
3-point in and out.
Tino with the ball, guarded here by Nawada. And
Yes, Rick. That's a miscue.
Yes. A turnover on the side of the Ateneo, so you cannot give the ball possession on your opponents, knowing na nasa third quarter na tayo. You need to maximize all of the ball possession that goes on your side, and now NCF with the ball possession here. Vinculado, passing it to Mase. Wow, look at that pass to Arenzana by Nowada, and a conversion was made. Great start on the side of the NCF. A back-to-back points coming from them. Ateneo, they need to have a point at this moment.
Now, 2-point attempt. It's no good. And for updates on the side of the NCF Tiger, let's check in with our courtside reporter, Casey. Casey, ano update dyan?
We are now on the second half at hindi pa rin nagkakalayo ang scores ng dalawang koponan, implying that neither side is willing to give up momentum in this tightly contested matchup. Coming into the third quarter, defense is still the most crucial factor as both teams continue battling for the control of the game. From the huddle, the Tigers emphasize composure and smart execution. They want to slow the pace down when needed, avoid unnecessary fouls, and most importantly, learn from the mistakes they've committed during the first half. Sa paraang ito, mas makokontrol nila ang laro while also avoiding unnecessary turnovers so that they can finally get the momentum they've been working hard for. Yan muna updates sa ngayon. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Aljan.
And thank you so much for that update on the side of the NCF. So, we heard that according to your head coach, they need composure while playing inside the hardcourt because this is very important on the side of the NCF. And of course, talagang kailangan ditong i-less yung nagagawang turnovers and fouls ng kanilang koponan. Nakita natin dito na medyo maganda yung simula ng NCF, but no room for complacency because yung nga sa ating first half, the Ateneo, nakuha nila yung momentum na gusto nilang kunin. The table has turned on their side, so let's see what will be the answer on the second half on the side of the NCF Tigers.
But now, that attempt is no good. Chance for Ateneo. Good move.
And that's Ranin again. Ranin seems confident at this moment. Napakaganda ng kanyang point conversion na nagagawa on the side of the Ateneo. This is a big help for them, and look at that. We are outside up at 39, so let's see who will get the advantage here as Mahase will inbound this one.
Still no good for Tigers. Lavandero, we're checking in. And now, on the side of Ateneo, what are the things? Kaya ang gagawin nila, let's check in with our courtside reporter, Kate. Kate, ano update natin siya?
Thank you, Rick and Aljan. And we are now on the halftime of the game at bakbakan na nga sa loob ng hardcourt. The Ateneo Golden Knights managed to find their rhythm dahil nga nagkakaproblema sila. Pagdating sa kanilang teamwork, sabi ni Coach, their execution of the game right now is improving at talagang umahabol sa laban ng NCF Tigers. The Ateneo Golden Knights are now looking to dominate this quarter. Let's see kung lalamang sila with their new strategy. Yan muna ang update. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Archie.
Thank you so much for that update. So yun nga, Ateneo, they came prepared for this match against the NCF. Talagang na-scout nila kung ano yung ginagawa ng NCF sa loob ng hardcourt. That's why very dikit ang ating larong ito. And of course, they need to be consistent and gawan pa ng napakagandang plays at sundin yung game plan ng kanilang head coach for them to be able to snatch a win dito sa NCF Tigers. So let's see kung gagawin ba dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights ang bilin ng kanilang head coach. Now, nasa kanila na ngayon ang kalamangan, 40-39. NCF with the ball possession here. And that's a great second chance point coming from Lavandero. Great answer.
Yeah, Rick, no, palitan lang dito ng lamang
Yes.
ang team. And let's see kung sino ang magpo-pull away. Really a tight quarter here. Now Ateneo will step in for the free throw. I think, Rick, we have a discussion
Yes.
here before the free throw on what violation will be awarding and kanino siya ibibigay.
And I think we have a referee's review here. Let's wait. After watching the review kung ano ang magiging hatol ng ating mga officials. 6 minutes and 9 seconds remaining for this third quarter. 41-40. Just a single point advantage on the side of the NCF. So again, on these both teams, if they really want to win this match, they really need to have a back-to-back-to-back point conversion. Kailangan na ng sunod-sunod na conversion of points here. Because again, nakikita natin dito na sabi mo nga kanina na palitan lang tayo ng kalamangan. So a very close fight between these two teams.
What's surprising here, Rick, since they've been battling for a lot of tournaments, alam nila kung paano maglaro ang kada team. So in terms of lamang, hindi masyadong nakakalamang isang team, or let's say kanina nakalamang yung NCF, but Ateneo were able to climb up the points, and now lamang na lang ng isang NCF, and that's very unpredictable. Walang kurapan, I think, ang laban na to. That's why, muscle to muscle, and looking at this review,
let's see kung ano ang nangyari. Let's wait for the call on that review made by our officials here. (40-41) is our score. Talking about the Ateneo Golden Knights, they start slow para dito sa ating liga on that first round of our elimination, but on this second,
jersey number 20 of NCF now out of the playing court.
So the call was made. Jersey number 20, I believe it's Mase, out of the playing court on the side of the NCF Tigers, because kitang-kita on that review and replay kung ano ang nangyari. Let's take a look one more time. That instant replay. So some act of violence. So Mase is out of the playing court, and Ranin will be having a 2 shots on their side, or rather it's Tino. So this is very crucial on the side of the NCF, knowing na Mase is one of a great reliable player on their side. So let's see kung ano magiging impact on the side of the NCF.
Yes, Rick, kanina Mase was able to contribute the points. That's why they were able to get ahead against the Ateneo, but now Mase is out. What will be the plan of the NCF Tigers here?
And on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, they need to maximize. They need to maximize this opportunity na wala dito yung isa sa mga key player on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now Ranin tying this match and aiming for a lead. And now Ateneo overtakes the lead para dito sa ating laro.
Tigers. Now, we'll see if they can get a point here. Pushing foul for Ateneo. Jersey number 10 stepping in for the free throw. No good for that attempt. Our deadlock at 42. Ateneo basketball. Again, heavily guarded here. Ateneo, chance for the NCF Tigers.
Great defense. And now, long pass to Arenzana.
Wow.
With that beautiful layup.
That's a good passing for the NCF. Again, violation. Rick, ito yung sinabi natin kanina. They have to minimize their violations here because they're giving free points. That is sure for Ateneo. Back-to-back points.
Single point advantage on the side of the NCF. Ojeda. Passing it to Nowada, and that's good. Ito na yung hinahanap dito ng kanilang head coach. Those smart plays na nagagawa dito ng NCF. Finding an open space on the side of the Ateneo and getting a point. Look at that instant replay. Yes, it's a game highlights worthy play coming from the NCF here. Samahan pa yan ng foul. So chance for the NCF to add their score and lead here.
A chance for Ateneo. And a steal for the Tigers. Sumarangkada for the good 2 points. And may sagot dyan ang Ateneo. Sagutan tayo dito. Nuwala. Looking for that.
Wow.
Back-to-back points na dito, Rick. Si Nuwada.
It's Nowada na nagkakaroon dito ng magandang momentum. Now, anong sagot dito ng Ateneo? And good conversion of point. Good passing also on that last sequence. Great steal. Basagre.
Waiting for his
Yes.
time, Rick. Wow, smart move.
We are deadlocked again at 50. What a game for these two teams.
And a foul called for number 23 of NCF.
And what a great three-pointer coming from the NCF side. And that three-point shot is presented by CBD Plaza Hotel, a perfect place for your getaways.
That was a much needed point for the Tigers. Seconds on the shot clock. And a steal for Ateneo. And again, that guy, jersey number 3, making sure that he got that point.
Yes. Arenzana, unsuccessful. Great defense on the side of the Ateneo. It's their chance to add the score here. Offensive rebound, but
Kuha ng Tiger streak.
yes,
Now, we'll see if Tigers can pull away at this point. No good. Maarangkada. Again, that guy. Wow.
yes.
No look.
Again, it's Basagre. One of his favorite moves. Those fast break. One of the key player on the side of the Ateneo. NCF should watch out for this moves coming from Basagre. We are outside up at 54. And the ball possession goes on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. And look at that game highlights. It's Basagre moment. Now chance for their team here to overtake the lead. And 2 shots will be given on the side of the Ateneo because both teams are now on the penalty situation.
No good for that first attempt. That was
That's good.
Minute and 20 seconds. Lavandero with a 3 points. Much needed point. The chance for Ateneo to get close. That attempt is no good.
A jumper.
No, that's 2 point rather.
Yes. And now, 25 seconds remaining for this quarter. NCF making some runs here. Unsportsmanlike foul was called to Rialo on that last sequence. Jersey number 10 will be having 2 shots here. 19 seconds remaining for this quarter. 59-55, just a 4-point lead on the side of the NCF. Bawasan pa yan ng isa because of that good shot. 59-56. Again, NCF still ahead. Ateneo basketball. 59-57 is our score.
19 seconds. Seconds to shoot. Price for that 3. No good. Arangkada. Tigers is able to cut that ball. And that's the end of our third quarter. 59-57. Tune in for our fourth quarter only here at Orlando Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we're back at our game here. NCF still ahead. Ateneo will not back up in this match. Let's see if they can tie it up or at least get ahead against the Tigers. Lavandero tries. In and out. Offensive rebound. No good. Ateneo basketball. Tries for 3. No good. The Tigers taking their time. Lavandero again tries for that 3. Still no good. Substitution for Ateneo. Ateneo basketball. Traveling. NCF basketball here.
Bala nito Palilio. Tatawid dito ang bola. Chance for them to score. Realo for 3. Offensive rebound coming from Lavandero. No good on that attempt.
Maarangkada dito. A pass. And you know, Rick, we want to hear more on the side of Ateneo since there will be adjustments on the side of them. Let's toss it to our courtside reporter, Kate. Kate, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Aljon. With our third quarter, it's a close fight at gitgita na nga ang laban. And this is now the battle of their endurance. Things are heating up here for the final stretch. Fatigue is starting to set in. It's becoming a test of their mind and body inside the hard court. The Ateneo Golden Knights are instilling in their mind to be disciplined and avoid foul trouble. It is true this is now the battle of will for the two teams. Let's see who will dominate the finals now. Yan muna ang update. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Aljun.
Ayan, thank you so much. So yun nga, nakikita natin dito on how the Ateneo reacts sa pinapakitang game plan on the side of the NCF. That's why nakakasabay sila dito. Napakaganda ng bakbakan itong dalawang kupunan. A lot of deadlocks. But on that last sequence, Palilio gets that 3-point on their side. And Fulgar with that second chance point. We are all deadlock again at 62.
Walang kurapan dito sa quarter na to. Now NCF, if they want to win this, they have to step up. Substitution for the NCF. The Tigers will step in for the free throw. That is good. Back-to-back points. Now, let's talk about NCF Tigers and what are the adjustments going to be made for this quarter. Let's toss it to our courtside reporter, Casey. Casey, kumusta dyan?
It's the fourth and final quarter, Rick and Aljon, and the game remained unpredictable. Both teams have been consistent from the opening tip hanggang ngayon, trading baskets and defensive stops, kaya wala pa rin talagang malaking kalamangan. As we enter the final quarter, every possession becomes crucial. Execution in half-court sets, rebounding battles, at defensive discipline ang magiging deciding factors. Expect tighter defense, more physicalities inside the court, and smarter shot selection as both teams try to close this game strong. Now the question is, will the Tigers be able to protect their winning streak? Yan ang ating aabangan, kaya naman manatiling nakatutok dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much for that, Casey. Dikit na dikit nga ang bakbakan between these two teams. So matira matibay for this fourth and final quarter. All they have to do is to lessen their error, turnovers, foul, and stick to their game plan if they really want to win this match. Now, at Ateneo, ano magiging sagot on that last point conversion on the side of the NCF, and it's Fulgar with that jumper. Deadlock again at 62.
A chance for Tigers again.
But a turnover.
That
Crucial turnover,
Yes,
Aljon.
Rick. That's what we're talking about kanina pa, to minimize those unusual turnovers. Ateneo looking to get a point here. Steal for the Tigers. A three-point attempt, in and out. Defensive rebound working for Ateneo. Still no good. And they make sure na makukuha nila yon. The Tigers still finding their rhythm here. 10 seconds to shoot. And a foul for Claro of Ateneo. Timeout for the NCF Tigers.
Because as we can see on our scoreboard, Ateneo holds the lead at this moment, 68-66. What a great game para dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Pinapahirapan dito ang NCF Tigers to get a point conversion. Kung magkakaroon man dito ng puntos ang NCF, nagkakaroon dito ng sunod-sunod na run itong Ateneo. Talagang nakakabawi sila every time they have their ball possession. So let's see what would be the adjustment on the side of the Ateneo or the NCF Tigers after this timeout called by their head coach, because they're behind here. And this is our fourth and final quarter. 4 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. So kailangan nang ibuhos dito ng dalawang kupunan ang lahat-lahat nila for them to be able to win this one.
Now NCF really feeling it, the pressure, but they have to leverage on their maturity on the court, while Ateneo, they are having a quite run. The momentum is on their side, but are they going to consistently do it up until the game? We'll see that. Tigers basketball. Nabalan looking for his teammate. And a muscle to muscle. Good point. Features the number 18. Deadlock. Again. Ateneo. Claro. Heavily guarded here. What is she going to do? Now chance for the Tigers. Nowada passes to his teammate.
Wow.
Rick, gandang bawi for the Tigers.
And a timeout was pressed on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights because the NCF overtakes the lead again. 70-68 is our score. 3 minutes and 39 seconds remaining for this match. Look at that game highlights on this match. Up next, we have the USI Falcons versus the CBSUA Buffaloes. Another match to watch para dito sa ating Oregon Basketball League Season 2 WBN Sophia Gold Chance BTS Cup. Thank you so much also to our sponsors. We have The NCF College of Criminal Justice Education, NCF College of Arts and Sciences, Safe Gas Station, Motomotivi, Delegold Philippines, City Hoops, Trophies and Medals, Glass House Beach Resort, Masuerte Foods, Chicken Run, and Trio Medical Distributor. Thank you so much po for your overwhelming support.
Ateneo basketball. 2 points ang hinahabol nila dito. Umaarangkada. And a steal for the Tigers. Ang gandang alalay nun. Wow. That guy on your screen doing his thing. 72-68. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Ateneo tries for that too. No good. Now Nawada looking for his teammate. Again, umaarangkada ng NCF Tigers. 74-68. 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Ateneo heavily guarded here. 8 seconds on the shot clock.
Wow. What a play coming from the Ateneo Golden Knights. The lead is cut down into just 4 points. Last 2 minutes of the match, and NCF holds the ball possession. A shot clock violation. Ball still on the side of the NCF, or rather Ateneo, but a foul was made. And Pasagre will get that free throw shots.
First free throw is good. Down to 3. NCF Tigers looking to widen the gap here. Jersey number 22 umaarangkada para good defensive rebound. Again, that usual turnover.
Very crucial because we only have 1 minute and 9 seconds remaining. Timeout was called on the side of the NCF, making sure na hindi na makakahabol dito itong Ateneo.
Now we've seen Rick, no? Same moment na ganito yung score, but things happened, and now NCF Tiger making sure that the advantage is in favor of them.
74-71, very close score and very close fight for these both teams. No NCF basketball. One minute on shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot. What NCF's going to do here? Now chance for Ateneo. Again, that guy on your screen. That's good. Just a single point lead on the side of the NCF, and mabilis nang maubos ang oras. We only have 30 seconds left for this match. NCF needs a great conversion at this moment. And that's good. Wow. Timeout was made on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 3-point lead.
Yes, Rick. Crucial moment for both.
Look at that instant 3 play. It's Basagre on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. And look at that. Balane tries that one, pero andoon si Aren Zana for that second chance point. So we have, I believe, a 1 ball possession remaining para dito sa 18 seconds na ito. So let's see kung anong gagawin dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Will they tie this match and force us to have an overtime, or the NCF will get their win against the Ateneo? Back to the ball game here. NCF, they need a good defense, and on the other side of things, Ateneo, they need a good offense. Let's see as Tino will inbound this ball. Looking for his teammate. Passing it to Basagre. Now, crucial moment here. Basagre tries for 3. No good on that attempt. NCF got that ball. Four seconds. On the shot clock. Timeout was called on the side of the NCF Tigers. Four seconds remaining. 76-73 is our score. 3-point lead ang hawak ng NCF Tigers. 4 seconds remaining.
NCF basketball. 4.8 seconds. 7 seconds on the shot clock. (76-73). And still NCF holds the lead here. But we are having a review here
Yes.
to see more accurately. I think the time, they will adjust the time.
In 2 seconds. Two seconds.
Now they will adjusting the time in 2 minutes.
And thank you so much ulit po sa lahat ng mga taong nanood dito sa ating venue, NCF Covered Court, and of course to all our live viewers na nanonood sa atin. Quick shout out kay Jaja Lopez, kay Alan Pelias, kay Romeo Labrador Castañeda, kay Vicky Santillan Lavandero, kay Grace Tubig, Alyssa Ibarrientos, kay John May Maestra, at kay Angel Toplano. Thank you so much po for watching. (76-73).
Why are we having adjustments?
We are, the officials are adjusting our time. Adjusting it into 2 seconds because that is supposed to be the time left for this match. Two seconds remaining.
Yeah, based on the review agreed by our referees and both coaches. By the NCF basketball. That's gonna be a point.
That's good. +2 and a foul. So a free throw violation will be given on their side.
A win-win situation for the Tigers.
By this 1 second remaining, I believe NCF wins this one against the Ateneo Golden Knights. 78-73 is our final score. Kudos also to Ateneo for giving us a good fight. Don't go away because when we come back, makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation, but we refuse to accept that choice. At Naga College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive. From our dynamic programs in finance and business, to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education in the arts, we cover the entire spectrum of tomorrow's workforce. Here, You don't just become future ready, you become a worker with empathy, a leader who understands that technology must serve humanity. Choose the college that prepares you not just for the job, but for the world. The future is here at NCF. Enroll at Naga College Foundation. Let us build a brighter, kinder tomorrow.
Naga College Foundation has built futures through learning. Today, we carry that same purpose into a new frontier where learning goes beyond the boundaries of the classroom, with technology helping students bridge between
After that breathtaking game, the Tigers have successfully defended their winning streak. On top of that, let's recognize the best player of the game, brought to you by Naga College Foundation. The best player of the game is none other than jersey number 10, James Nuwada, with 26 points. 3 rebounds, 2 assists, and 3 steals. So first of all, congratulations po for winning this game. Now, what was going through your mind, especially nung moments na sobrang dikit ng laban?
Syempre po, nandun na yung pressure, pero medyo sanay na din po sa ganung laban, pressure. Then, yun, nakinig lang kami kay coach sa sistema namin, yun lang. And sa commitment.
Ayan, so what's one lesson from this game na you'll definitely taking sa mga susunod yung mga laro?
Siguro yung ngayon na intensity namin kaysa sa last na namin na game na medyo kami wala sa kumbaga sa sarili, yun, kulang sa commitment, yun.
Ayan, now I'm giving you the floor to shout out your friends or family na nanonood dito sa ating live stream.
Shout out sa family ko, sa 𝐒𝐿𝐷, ingat palagi, and sa teammates ko, sa coaches, and sa girlfriend ko nasa Canada siya ngayon. Yun lamang po.
Ayan, thank you so much. And once again, our best player of the game, jersey number 10, James Nuwada. Now, this is 𝐒𝐫𝐚𝐠𝐸 reporting courtside for NCF Tigers. Up next, we still have the USI Falcons versus CBSUA Buffaloes. Kaya naman, stay tuned only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And that concludes our first game. Congratulations, NCF Tigers, for giving us a stellar performance against the Ateneo. But, Rick, kudos to Ateneo for giving us a nail-biting match for this afternoon.
Yes, talagang ramdam na ramdam natin yung intensity inside this court, and of course, the competitiveness of both teams. Of course, thank you so much to Ateneo, nabanggit mo nga dito, for giving us a good fight. And congratulations to NCF na nakakuha ng panalo ngayon. A great bounce back after that defeat. So, mayroon pa tayong next game. We have the CBSUA versus the USI Falcons. Your commentator, Rick Puerta.
And I'm Aljon Pogoy. Tune in for our next game. It's Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation, but we refuse to accept that choice. At 𝐒𝐫𝐚𝐠𝐲 College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive. From our dynamic programs in finance and business, to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education in the arts, we cover the entire spectrum of tomorrow's workforce. Here, you don't just become future ready, you become a worker with empathy, a leader who understands that technology must serve humanity. Choose the college that prepares you not just for the job, but for the world. The future is here at NCF. Enroll at 𝐒𝐫𝐚𝐠𝐲 College Foundation. Let us build a brighter, kinder tomorrow.
𝐒𝐫𝐚𝐠𝐲 College Foundation has built futures relearning. Today, we carry that same purpose into a new frontier, where learning goes beyond the boundaries of the classroom, with technology helping students bridge between potential and opportunity. With the digital age challenging us to rethink what learning means, how can we strengthen our communities and shape generations of leaders who will carry the spirit of service and excellence beyond our campus? Digital transformation is not just about adopting technology for the sake of it. It's about widening the path to opportunity. Every learner can access the same quality of education with the same confidence to thrive in a fast-changing world. With the support of digital platforms and our partnership with Samsung, every teacher and student is now equipped with a Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. The single step has transformed access to learning, allowing classes to continue wherever our learners are, regardless of circumstance or environment. Our educators are no longer limited to traditional teaching methods. They have been trained to use app and online platforms to create interactive, data-driven lessons that adapt to how each student learns best, bringing energy and relevance into every subject. Students, in turn, are collaborating digitally across teams and disciplines, mirroring the very environments they will soon enter in the professional world. We have taken learning beyond the classroom, empowering teachers to inspire and students to lead by embracing technology and making tablets part of our curriculum. Our digital transformation is not simply an adaptation, it is transformation driven by purpose, guided by innovation, and anchored in our belief that education must always serve people first. Our mission to democratize technology in education has taken a significant step forward with Samsung. By empowering every student to leap into the future, we ensure that true transformation begins where opportunity is shared by everyone, everywhere.
Your quest begins with a single step, where passion meets purpose, and learners become leaders. This is where champions in healthcare are made, with AI-powered, world-class, real-life simulating laboratories, top-tier clinical instructors, healthcare industry innovation-focused curriculum, and skills management. The Naga College Foundation College of Health Sciences is your premier choice in excellent healthcare education. Change the game. Be a champion.
Hey everyone! Welcome to NCF Basic Education Department, where we're not just learning,
We're changing the game. First stop, the library. Oh wait, this isn't your typical library.
Nope. Here at NCF, the library is a vibe, a space for collab, creativity, and discovery. Changing the game?
Absolutely. Now these are our science labs. We've got the junior high school bio lab, plus the physics, chem, and bio labs. And if Marvel needs their next genius, they can start here with us, the Tigers.
Because here, science isn't just taught, it's changing the game.
Tiger techies and creators. This is our playground, the computer and TLE labs.
Coding, designing, building. This is where Tigers turn ideas into reality. Another way we're changing the game.
Hungry? Our cafe's got everything to power our day.
And our comfort rooms, clean, safe, and tiger-proof.
Small details, big impact. Another way we're changing the game. Us Tigers aren't just fierce inside the classroom, but also on the court.
Basketball, volleyball, swimming, and more. Our sports facilities bring out the athlete in every Tiger.
And when we play, it's not just a game. We're changing the game.
Need help? Our admin team's got your back always.
Every building here at NCF, built to inspire.
And beyond classrooms, these innovative learning spaces spark creativity, teamwork, and Tiger pride.
And here's something we're absolutely proud of. We're LASSO accredited.
A mark of excellence in high-quality education.
Audio preview.
So whether you're into books, science discoveries, sports excellence, innovation, or any other collaboration that will boost your learning,
NCF Tiger Basic Education Department will take you to a future that's fierce, exciting, game-moving, and puts you ahead of the game.
this is Naga College Foundation Basic Education Department, changing the game.
And we are back here sa loob ng NCF covered court for our second match. It's between the CBSUA Buffaloes versus the USA Falcons. Makakasama niyo po ulit ako, Rick Puerta, together with me as Aljon Pogoy to give you all an update sa mga nangyayari dito sa loob ng hardcourt. So this is very crucial on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes because they really need to win this match against the USA Falcons. And on the side of the USA Falcons, if they want to sustain that momentum on that big win against the NCF on that last encounter on last Saturday. So let's see kung ano ang gagawin dito ng dalawang koponan who will get the win for these two teams. So three-point shot on the side of the USA Falcons, and it's San Gabriel. So 1 point lead on the side of the Falcons, same ball possession.
No, CBSUA basketball. That's good. Jersey number 10.
Berse to Batangas. Doloso for 3, unsuccessful. Andon si San Gabriel for that offensive rebound. USA Falcons. No good. Same ball possession. 4-3 is our score. And now, USA to inbound. San Gabriel fires for 3. No good. Balbuena
with the ball for CBSUA.
.12 to shoot. And to hear an update on the side of the USA Falcons, let's call our courtside reporter, Ira.
Marhay na hapon, Bicolandia. Another day of exciting game is ahead of us, and the USI Falcons is now ready more than ever to face the CBSUA Buffaloes. The Falcons are here to dominate the court with all the preparations that they got. With their 4-1 standing, surely that they aren't here to just play but to win. The court will be filled with fire as this two determined team will fight head-to-head and test each other's greatness. Who will dare to win? Will the Falcons soar up high for today's game? Let's all witness it dito lang yan on the second season of Oragon Basketball League WB Sophia Cup Gold Jones BDS. And of course, this is Ira Faye Avila reporting from the sidelines of the USI Falcons. Back to you, Rick and Aljon.
Thanks, Ira, for that update. Now, coming from a win, USI Falcons eyeing for a back-to-back win against CBSUA. They're down 3 points, but we're still in the first quarter. Now we'll see if they can climb up here.
San Gabriel with a to inbound, passing it to Doloso. And CBSUA Buffaloes gets that ball on their side. Agento.
A substitution for the Buffaloes.
Foul was called on the side of the USA Falcons. And Parafina stepping on that free throw opportunity to add their lead here. Good start for the Buffaloes.
And to know more on updates on the side of CBSUA, let's check in with our courtside reporter, Casey. Casey, kumusta dyan?
Marhay na Bicol. Yeah, we are second game of the day between the CBS Buffaloes and USI Falcons. This is your courtside reporter Casey Anchokia reporting on the side of CBSUA Buffaloes. As we head into this game, all eyes are on CBSUA as they continue to search for their first win of the season. Still hungry, still grinding, still hoping that today finally get a turning point for their team. This opening season serves as training as they prepare quadrangular meet and eventually the regional SBSUA. Every game, every possession, and every minute sa loob ng court ay nagsisilbing pagkakataon upang mahasa ang kanilang chemistry, skills, at overall readiness para sa mas malaking laban na darating. For now, this game might be a turning point. Yan naman sabay-sabay nating saksihan ang kanilang laro only here on Orago Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
And thank you so much for that info on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. And what a great three coming from Agento. Again, great start on the side of the CBSUA Buffalo. They need to sustain their momentum at this early part of the game because we know kung paano humabol itong USI Falcons. And the Loso also fires for 3. So nabanggit nga dito ni Casey on her report on the side of the CBSUA Buffalo that again, this is a practice and preparation on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes because they will have their SBSUA and other league on the side of the CBSUA Buffalo. So let's see kung makukuha na nila ang unang panalo against the USI Falcons this match, or will the USI Falcons gets their back-to-back win? Yan ang abangan natin dito. USI Falcons basketball here. Now Falcon tries for that jumper, and that's foul. Perse. Unsuccessful. Balbuena gets that ball on their side. Long pass to Villaflor and the connection to Agento. That's good. Great steal and great block also. But andon si Mohar. Long pass ulit kay Agento and back-to-back points coming from them. What a great start. Again, they really need to be consistent at this moment if they want to win this match against the Falcons. Wow. Agento, no good. But this time, andon si Mohar.
And a timeout for USI Falcons.
Wow, what a run on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. That's why Coach Tope pressed that timeout on their side because hindi niya nagugustuhan yung performance dito ng kanyang team. Let's take a look one more time on our instant replay. Back-to-back-to-back point conversion on the side of the Buffaloes.
Now back to the ball game. 16-9. Buffaloes here showing dominance in this early quarter. That is good. Good response. Ano kayang sagot dito ng Buffaloes? A good steal. Good point for Grabata and a timeout for the Buffaloes.
We are live on our Facebook page, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and Gen TV 48 Naga. Now, CBSUA Buffaloes, they need to secure this lead on their side because eto na naman yung USA Falcons with their chase here, with their runs here. Great three-pointer on the side of the USA Falcons, and we are all deadlock at 16. Ito yung kailangang ingatan dito ng CBSUA Buffaloes. Kailangan nilang bantayan dito itong Falcons because we know on how Falcons play. What a great pass! They need more of that on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes.
The Falcons basketball. Their chance to tie it up. And a traveling violation. Buffaloes, again, the communication play and the trust of the boys here.
Del Rosario, anong sagot dito? No good. Villaflor with that rebound. Mohar, itatawi dito ang bola. Bantay sarado. Passing it to Parafina, pero andon si Del Rosario for that steal.
A great layup for Grabata.
2-point lead on the side of the Buffaloes here. They need a point conversion. Wow, look at that. A lot of that connection inside. Great passing and great execution on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. So nakikita natin dito yun yung ginagawa nilang game plan. Those long pass na pupunta sa gitna. And look at that, another one.
Pumapasok yung mga inside passes, Rick.
Talagang nalilito dito yung defenders on the side of the USA Falcons, so they need to double their effort at this moment. Let's see kung anong sagot dito ni Grabata. What a great block. And look at that. Wide open for that layup. Another 2 points was added on their side. So CBSUA Buffaloes, I think they came prepared for this match.
For sure.
Yes.
And
Because
Vic, no, to mention, mabilis yung transition ngayon ng CBSUA
yes,
Buffaloes
compared to their previous matches.
Yes, exactly.
Because I think this is great avenue for them to get their first win. Sayang yon on the side of the Buffaloes. Lock to his teammate and a basket count with a foul. Meron ding sagot dito ang USA Falcons.
.43 seconds on the clock. Basketball of CBSUA.
Six-point lead.
Yes, Rick. Number 18 foul. CBSUA basketball. A chance to get ahead. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Sayang yun.
So far on those attempts committed on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes, half of it is pasok talaga. So napakaganda ng ipinapakita ngayon ng CBSUA Buffaloes. They really want to win this match and get their first win para dito sa ating liga. So let's see kung masustain ba dito yung momentum na hawak on their side, and what would be the answer on the side of the USA Falcons, because medyo slow dito yung start ng Falcons. So ano ang magiging sagot ng kanilang kupunan? 20 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Del Rosario to Lock. Guarded here by Mohar. Steps for that jumper, unsuccessful. So CBSUA Buffaloes on the offense at this moment. Fires for 3 and wow! What a 3-pointer on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes to end this first quarter. 29-20 is our score. We'll be right back for our second quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back here sa loob ng ating covered court NCF, our venue for today's match. At abante nga ang ating CBSUA Buffaloes on that first quarter encounter against the USA Falcons. So let's see kung magiging consistent ba sila, or will the USA Falcons get their groove and tuloy-tuloy yung run na gagawin dito.
No chance here for the Buffaloes. Sayang yun.
Agaw ng bola, and the possession goes on the side of the Falcons.
Substitution for the Buffaloes.
Si Ruelos may hawak ng bola, finding a Sebor here. No look pass, Quijano unsuccessful on that jumper, and Mohar with that rebound. Almost loses that. Parafina finding Villaflor. Offensive rebound. And a foul was whistled. So an opportunity here on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes to add their lead here. That's good. Ciruelas with that rebound. Falcons on the offense. Acebor to his teammate. Kakapasok pa lang. Assist with that three-pointer. Wow. An early impact. And crucial turnover on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. 4 na lang dito ang hinahabol ng USA Falcons.
Basketball.
Assist again. 𝐒𝐎R. Wow! Sayang kung pumasok pa yun. Napakaganda pa sana on the side of the Buffaloes. But a foul was called on the side of the USA Falcons. And so here an update on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. Tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Casey. Anong update siya?
Thank you, Rick and Aljan. That's it for the first quarter. The Buffaloes are on the groove today as they were able to secure back-to-back points in the early minutes of the game. This might finally be their chance to win the game, kaya naman they have to maintain their momentum and eventually establish a significant lead. Mahaba-haba pa ang laban, kaya naman hindi sila dapat magpakampante. But at the same time, they have to keep the ball rolling. Now, sabay-sabay nating abangan kung ano ang mangyayari sa pagtatapos ng first half. So for now, back to the panel.
Thank you, Casey. And we'll see on how CBSUA will capitalize this margin.
Basket with a foul on the side of the USA Falcons. 32-29 is our score. Substitution on the side of the Buffaloes here. (32-31) is our score. Just a single point. And Acebor will be having free throw shots here. Chance for them to add their score here and tie this match. And to hear an update on the side of the USA Falcons, let's call our courtside reporter, Ira. Babalikan natin sa Ira maya-maya. And a foul was called on the side of the Buffaloes here. Ayan, mabalikan na natin ang ating courtside reporter on the side of the USA Falcons. Ira, anong balita dyan?
The game started with a thrilling vibe. The Falcons are trying to stick to their game plan and they are looking forward to performing it effectively. They are finding it hard to communicate with one another. Kaya nga naman, Coach Tupet to the players during the huddle to be patient and to help one another. And they magpatigil para ma-avoid ang miscommunication. They are trying to strengthen their defense here and the Falcons are trying to read every ball movement from the opponent. The game is just starting but the hard court is already heating up. Kaya naman brace yourselves and let us wish for the best. Back to you, Rick and Aljon.
Thank you so much. And Rick mentioned that they have to really work on their communication to really have a seamless execution of their system here.
Back-to-back three-pointer coming from Asis on that last sequence. And that three-point shot is brought to us by CBD Plaza Hotel. Now, yes, our Falcons overtake the lead here. So, ito yung sinasabi natin, Aljon, sa simula ng larong ito. If you're on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes, you really need to have a huge gap against the Falcons because we know Falcons can chase and deliver. Magkaroon lang sila ng magandang momentum.
Now again, the passing of this Buffalo streak, right? Very on point. And a double substitution for the Buffaloes.
(41-38) CBSUA basketball. Wow! Asebor wide open with that 2 points. Look at that defense. Very tight. One-hand layup. And doon si Reyes for that second chance point. Great game for these two teams. Asebor find his way inside.
In and out, Rick.
Sayang yon.
40-43. Buffaloes on the three.
Wow. What a clean 3-pointers. And that 3 points is brought to us by CBD Plaza Hotel. Your perfect getaway.
Now we're deadlock at 43. And a miscue for the USI Falcons. Unfortunate miscue.
Agento with the ball. Guarded here. And that's good. Just a single point deficit on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. Now si Ruelos with the ball. Finding his teammate here. San Gabriel on that corner for 3. No good. Doloso. Hindi pumasok dito yung kanyang attempt, but a foul was whistled. He was stepping on the free throw line for an opportunity on their side. Porteria passing it to Hertes. Find his way inside but loses that ball. Crucial turnover. Now yes, Falcons